You set up. So I tore up the threads. This is going to be replaced anyway. Try not to tear up your threads so you can have this kind of on like that. Lock it into place like so, just so you can get a better view of what's going on. So this is what it looks like. That top indented groove part is going to be where your ball joint would be, your bushing would be, and this lower tab is going to be up on that bolt. Okay, I put WD-40 on here to make sure this is really easy to move. Okay, you're going to have a 24 millimeter. Came loose. Get this thing, it'll save you hours and hours of prying on this thing. So there it is, guys. Ball joint separator. OEM Ball Joint Separator 56308. I rented it for $32. Once you rent it, use it, take it back, they put the 32 bucks back on your account, and it doesn't cost you a thing. So it's just a holding fee. If you like these videos, please hit the like button, subscribe, and more to come. Take care.